Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can add watermark in Capcut. Let's get started. First of all, you have to create a project in Capcut, and if you want to add watermark to your project, you can click on this text button right here, guys. Then click on add text and type the text that you want to make it as your watermark. For example, I'm going to write my name. I'm going to type my name. All right, like this. And after that, you can choose the font that you want, that you like. For example, I'm going to choose Helium font. Just tap on the font that you want, and after that, we can click on style option, guys, to reduce the opacity or to make it transparent. So we can tap on if style. Then we can go down until we find opacity, and to make it transparent we can reduce the opacity, and you can make it as transparent as you like. And for example, I'm going to make it 40% transparent. All right, after that we can click on this check mark. Okay, and we can adjust the length to make the watermark align with the video. We can drag it to the right like this. Okay, and let's check the result by playing the video. Okay, and you can adjust the watermark position. You can click on the watermark, and after that you can move it to the position or to the part of the video that you like. For me, I'm just going to place this watermark right here. Okay guys, that's how we can add watermark in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.